what you have for your birthday? I got older. Oh, that is weird. Hey, you wanna play Catch the Knife? Show. Man, I suck at this game. Ma'am, I'm afraid I caught your son doing homework. Where did I go wrong? Hey, Joey, you wanna eat me? No thanks, Mr. Muffin. I wanna die. Hey, Stacy, do you wanna go to the prom with me? Oh, I'm sorry, but I'm a ghost. But you're not dead. Hi, Brian. Hey, buddy, you wanna take us outside? Sure. Well, what a lovely evening. This is a really good idea. John, you have so much to live for. I like you to live. Full. You have room for mother? No. Why would you let me die? Hey, baby, are you unable? Because I'm allergic to feathers. You're there. I'm a very tall midget. Hey, buddy, turn that frown upside down. Okay. The end. Hey, what about